All right, so in this lesson, we are going to answer a very important question. What exactly is a website and how does it actually work? Now, this might seem obvious at first because we all use websites every day, of course. But once you understand what is really happening behind the scenes, everything else in this course is going to make a whole lot more sense. So let's break it down step by step. Now, at the most basic level, a website is simply a collection of web pages. These pages are all connected together and can be accessed through the internet. So, for example, when you visit the website, you might see your home page, an about page, a contact page, maybe a blog page or product pages as well. All of these are individual pages and together they make up a website. Now, here is another important thing to understand. A website is made up of different types of content, and this includes things like text, images, videos, buttons, links, and a whole lot more. All of these elements come together to create what you see on your screen. So, in simple terms, a website is just a digital space where information is displayed, organized for people to access online. Now, let's talk about how websites actually work behind the scenes because there's a process happening every time you visit a website, even though it feels very instant. All right. So imagine this, you open your browser and type in a website address, something like a URL. That moment you hit enter, your browser sends a request. Now, that request goes to something called a server. A server is basically a computer that stores website files. You can think of it like a storage space where your website lives. So once the server receives your request, it responds by sending back all the files that makes up that website. And this includes the layout, the text, the images, and all those things we have listed before now. And then your browser takes all that information and displays it as a website on your screen. And all of this is just in a few seconds. Now, you might be wondering, why do I need to know this? The reason is simple. As we move forward in this course, you are going to hear terms like domain, hosting, and server. All of these are part of this process. So understanding this makes everything easier later. Don't worry if it doesn't feel 100% clear yet. I mean, you don't need to master this just yet. You just need to have a general idea of what's going on behind the scenes. So, just to quickly recap, a website is a collection of web pages that live on the internet. And when someone visits a website, their browser sends a request to a server, which then sends back the files needed to display that website. So a quick one there. If you are still new to WordPress, I have created a very comprehensive WordPress course for beginners, which will give you all the knowledge you need to master WordPress in no time. It is a very comprehensive course that will guide you from basic level to a level in which you will be very comfortable using WordPress. Now you can scan the QR code on your screen right now or grab the link in the description to enroll for this course.